नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रो, हा माझा SSC मॅथ्स 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर 2 ए भाग असणार आहे. चला तर आपण एक एक क्वेश्चन आणि त्याचं आन्सर बघूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1A, सॉल्व एनी 4 of the following. In figure, line PQ parallel line RS. Using the information given in the figure, find the value of the x. Now see these two lines are parallel. PQ and RS both are parallel. Now this is the transversal. Therefore, their corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, measure of angle x is equals to 50 degree. This is the answer. Now the answer is line PQ is parallel to line RS. Therefore, x is equals to 50 degree. That is the corresponding angle. Now next question. In the figure, the parts of two triangles bearing the identical marks are congruent. State, that is state by which the triangles are congruent. Now see this here, triangle ABC, triangle PQR. AC is the hypotenuse, PR is the hypotenuse. Now other than hypotenuse, there is one more side which is congruent to both the triangles. Therefore, by side hypotenuse test, these two triangles are congruent. Now see the answer. Write in this manner, triangle ABC and the triangle PQR are congruent by the hypotenuse side test. Next question. In triangle ABC, if angle A is equals to 65, angle B is equals to 40, then find the measure of angle C. Now this is also very simple. All the measures of triangles is 180. Therefore, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C is 180. And we can find out the answer of angle C. Now here 65 plus 40 plus angle C is equals to 180. Now sum of these two 105. Therefore, angle C is equals to 180 minus 105. Therefore, measure of angle C is 75. Next question. Quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Write the sum of measures of angle P and Q. Now these two are the adjacent angles and it's very simple. The sum of the measures of adjacent angles of the parallelogram is 180, or you may have, that is a quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Angle P plus angle Q is equals to 180. They are the interior angles. Now suppose that this is the parallelogram. Draw this figure P, Q, R and S. Now these two lines are parallel and this is their transversal and therefore this is 180. Now next question. If hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 5, find the radius of the circle passing through all the vertices of the triangle. Now what's happening? Hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 5. It means that the hypotenuse is the diameter of that circle. And therefore radius is equals to 1 upon 2 into hypotenuse. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 2.5. Now see this, radius is equals to 1 upon 2 into hypotenuse. The circumcenter of the right angle triangle is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. The figure is like this. This is the right angle triangle A, B, C. And now this is the center. But this is the AC is the 5. Therefore, O is the center. Therefore, O is equals to 2.5. Next question. Write the coordinate of the point of intersection of the graph. Equation x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3. Now this is the coordinate geometry. Very simple question. What's here? X-axis, y-axis. Our first line x is equals to 2. It is like this. And second line 1, 2 and 3. And it is a parallel to x-axis. This is your point of intersection. That is a 2, comma, minus 3. And in this way, the point of intersection of these two lines are 2, minus 3. Now see this answer. The coordinates of the points of intersection of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3, 2, comma, minus 3. Now next question. Length of a rectangular tank is a twice. Let's separate. If the depth of the tank is 2 meter and area of its 4 walls is 108 meter square, find the length of the tank. Now it's a very simple vertical surface area of the tank. That is a perimeter of the base into height. What is the formula? Perimeter of the base means what? 2 in bracket L plus B into height means here depth. Now here we say that is a breadth is equals to x, length is equals to 2x, area of the wall, that is the perimeter of the base. I will read it like this. मी या प्रकारे वाचणार ते perimeter of the base, that is a 2 in bracket L plus B into h means what? Height, depth is one and the same. Here 108 is equals to 2 in bracket 2x plus x into 3. Now what's happening here? That is a 2 plus x means what? 3x. 3x into 3, 9x, 9x into 2, 18x. Therefore, x is equals to 108 upon 18. Therefore, x is equals to 6 and 2x is equals to 12. But the length of the tank is equals to 12 meters. This is the answer. Next question. In right angle triangle PQR, angle Q is 90, PR is equals to 5. Okay. QR is equals to 4. Find PQ and hence find the tan of R. Now it's again very simple. Pythagoras apply. PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. Therefore, 5 square is equals to PQ square plus 16 and therefore PQ square is equals to 25 minus 9, that is equals to 9 and the required length PQ is equals to 3. Now to find out the tan ratio. Now PQ is equals to 3. Here we will write PQ is equals to 3. We want to find out tan of R. Tan of R means what? Opposite side. The PQ upon QR. That is equals to 3 by 4. This is the answer of this question. Now next question. In triangle PQR, point S and the T are the midpoints of the side PQ and the PR respectively. S and PR. These are the midpoints. ST is equals to 6.2. Then find the length QR. This is the application of the midpoint theorem. Now with this, विद्यार्थी मित्रों, that is ST is equals to 1 upon 2 QR. Therefore, 6.2 is equals to 1 upon 2 into QR. Therefore, QR is equals to 6.2 into 2. Now see this answer. In triangle PQR, S and T are the midpoints of the side PQ and the side PR. ST is equals to 6.2. Therefore, ST is equals to 1 upon 2 QR. The theorem of the midpoint of the two sides of a triangle. 6.2 is equals to 1 upon 2 into QR. Therefore, QR is equals to 6.2 into 2. Therefore, QR is equals to 12.4. Now, we have completed the question number 1. Question number 2a. Select the appropriate alternative. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. If area of the triangle ABC is equals to 25, area of the triangle PQR is equals to 16, then find the ratio ABC as to PQR. Therefore, area of the triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB square upon PQ square. Therefore, 25 upon 16, and that is take the square root on both sides. Therefore, 5 has to 4. Therefore, D option is the correct answer. From the information given in the figure, find the measure of angle AEC. AEC. Now, this is very important question. When these two second intersect in the interior of a circle, then what about the measure of the angle AEC? Now, see this. This is the formula. That is, if we have, that is a measure of angle AEC is equal to 1 upon 2 bracket measure of R. Sum of these two are measure of RPC plus measure of R. That is equal to 1 upon 2 measure of RPC, that is 30 degree plus 42 degree, and sum of these two, that is 1 upon 2 is 70, that is equal to 36. See this answer. What is that? How we go to the question. This is the C option for the second. Now next question. Point P is the midpoint of the segment B. Is the coordinate of A and B are minus 4 and 6 respectively. Then find the coordinate of the point P. Now see this. A is the point whose coordinate is minus 4. B is the point whose coordinate is 6. Now we'll find out the midpoint after the midpoint formula. X1 plus x2 upon 2 is minus 4 plus 6 upon 2 is 2 upon 2. Therefore, x2 is 2. Next is y1 plus y2 upon 2 plus 4, 4 upon 2. That is y is equal to 2. This option is B. Now next, question number 4. Find the ratio of the volume of now see this. The volume of cylinder is pi r square into h, which is the V1. Volume of a cone 1 by 3 pi r square into h, that is V2. Therefore, V1 upon V2 is equals to pi r square upon 1 by 3 pi r square into h. Now what's happening here? Pi r square into h, pi r square into h get cancelled. Now in the numerator you will have 1. 1 means what? 1 upon 1. This whole divided by 1 by 3. Then 1 upon 1. Multiplied and reciprocal. Then you get 3 upon 1. Therefore the answer is raised to 1. The option is B. In this way, my dear student, we have completed question number 2. Now we'll see next question number 2 next video.